morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on wherever you are watching me from. Abu m Igwe Credo, Nwanre, Ifeji Mwalomobumbem. This message na pass today, I am sending it to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. The man carrying the prophetic anointing of God of Zion ministry. Message a na-achị pass ọtụtụ ndụ ya na-asị ikekwe na credo chọrọ ka Ebuka Obi notice enye this or that. But ọ bụrụ ya. Message a na-achị pass. I pass this message to one or two persons sitting close to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Mana amara mma ha anọkọta n'ugokwe gwe anya azantụeli anya ọbụla alụ. Maka na onye ọbụla wu onye isi na-enwekwe ndị ọ na-ajụ kedi nke na-eme ka i wee matacha ife na-eme in the global world. Now, Ebuka Obi, Igbo an evangelist. I admire your grace and your calling. And to be frank with you, onwere onye nọ n'ụwa admire your grace and your calling. I know some of my friends say Buchakwa native doctor how like your doings. It's just that na ikpa aka n'ọnụ ba say na ba mara iwe wu mgbe ọwụ na involve ndị native doctor na agasala ọlụ na akụlụ ọlụ, because whenever you speak against the native doctor profession, it affects their profession, it affects their business. Man, your personality and the unction you carry, onwere onye anara admire. Admiring an unction, madibu, the grace upon a person. Abraji, mano, envying the grace upon a person. Bu nke bu ajoye nimie. Oburo believe. Afu mo I like him Ebuka Obi. Even the like here, bro, just no the brain behind Zion ministry. Even the like here, no a man of his own. Man will eventually drop le tata diva. Allo. One them obulu no ye kwu omume. Okwe follow mo pina attention na enye bloggers online. Before I started following Zion ministry online, I've been following TB Joshua. I started following TB Joshua. That should be in 2000 and either 8 or 9. 2008 or 9. And even the follower will know a man of his own. You don't not need to attach yourself anywhere. Just be on your own. I want to advise you, in my own understanding, any social media attention, any bloggers attention, unless if you are enjoying the trend. Man, I think now those trends will deviate you from your mission, from your vision, and from your calling. As that many are called, few are chosen. Abiana Christendom. Christianity is a vast organization. Man, abatana that Christianity, and with so many different denominations. Abatana denominations, and with different association, ministries. Just like Abatana Catholic Church. ha wee nwee ministry a na-akpọ Zion ministry. Ọ bụ a Catholic member meye. It doesn't mean no so Catholic people na-abịa that ministry. Other denomination na-abịa, mana this particular place is for Christians. So when them na yon na yobo obu no ye ekwu omume, I don't want you to deviate. Achọrọ m ka ị dị distracted from your mission. Onwe ka nsi afuta your mission. Ana m afu your mission as a mission to liberate. As a mission to create opportunities. Funding abia. I am not talking about myself whenever I am speaking for the betterment of tomorrow. I am talking about my children and my children. Because our children need a conducive environment to understand the manu. And this is part of the reason Nja support to Governor Soludo on his decision in Anambra State. I am not talking about myself. Mfu eziokwu ama m eziokwu, mfu asị ama m asị. Mana what of my children na-eto eto? And my fear abụrụ iwe ọzọ, will I be there? Will I be available to culture them? To train them on the truth about the world, the global atmosphere, the climax atmosphere? Because uwane eto wenye iwe anakawanye njọ. And yana fugas atrocities are now baptized into core on. Abulusia ifeji ebindo. Ufadu believe na Christianity or ministry or Iwoka has no advantage in the economic system of the world. That is their belief. But I want you to remain focused on either actually. I am one of the people that sees what you are doing as heading somewhere that will better this country, this eastern part of the nation. Don't give attention to social media. Just megodi from now till December. Just from now till December, make 100 days about December, but January. Just don't get any social media brouhaha. Just ignore them. Most of them doing videos and they saying so many things about your activities and the ministry's activities. Most of them are doing it because just like video and make it. Video and mega viral, I will make money from it. I will not lie to you. But I want you to remain focused. You were not called in this mission to become a topic. In as much as Navane Okupa about you, you keep on being relevant, even in but it's not the calling. The calling is about being relevant. The calling is about being focused and achieving the divine goal. The fundamental divine goal of your calling. Onye obuna na-enye advice ekwu okpalala m ge reply ya is not doing you good. I study go social media, study anya very well. When something about you is trending online and you reply, it boosts the energy of the allegation and the false news. But when something is trending about you, a go chanya whoop you to forge ahead. Continue with what you are doing. Yes, 1 week. Now, no, 4 days, 1 week. That particular thing, if I know about the reality of the social media in Onimia today, as a brother and a friend, like living in me, I want to beg you. And just need these people attention. They have the right to talk about you, but don't give them attention. Onyekuo, I say, my your legal anything, your legal thing should be all about acquiring property for the mission. No wherever property you actually go, whether land or any legal documentation actually legal team apụta mee gịnị lụọ ọlụwa. Let the legal team not be about na mmadụ kwuru okwu na social media ejebeli legal proceedings. No. Allow these people to talk. Oburugodu mgbe Jesus nọ, like the Bible say, onwere mgbe osisi ekwu ne. Onwebeli iwe kwuru about you to compare with other people. Rehad Bonkiwa, TB Joshua. Don't be distracted. Remain focused on Yineme. Whether you like, they like it or not, the anointing in you must always bring up topic. But your ability to handle that topic will make you keep excelling. I am not advising you. Don't reply these people. In a never attention. Instead of you coming out, well, time here you preach the gospel. Or time here you call your members, even Ramara, or point to Garcia things. Only here that put on social media that needs attention. Your media team should drop a letter, a disclaimer, post one on your website. Kowa, let it be your media team. After you did there, below the ministry's name. Signature you did there, below the chief media, whatever. It doesn't now, I don't want you as a personality to be distracted. Let your media team handle things for you. You need the wrong way even online if na poop. I'm telling you, we ain't choking me. So that love I have for you will remain. Stop replying these people. Hey Lulie to distract you from your calling, from your mission. Don't give them attention. Snub those things. Your media team should sit up. They should do their work. Only that time that needs attention, they should write a disclaimer with your letterhead, with the ministry's letterhead. I'm a neighbor ministry bogema man Ebuka Obi we Ebuka Obi. Zion ministry was Zion ministry. But so na cho ya follow onwekwa onye ozo ye take up the mantle of leadership. So any arrow thrown on Zion ministry as a brand, as an international brand, the media team more than should reply, not you. You a brand. You are a spiritual brand. Another man they happy more nanda nde your capacity biana na utole online welu video bi kwulo okwu iji onu iwe kwuo nya iwe unu ikwesi na ekwu n'ọnụ to the general public you kwesịrị ebu blessing atonement blessing teachings nkuzi. Forget about gotta say ndị nwa jikwu na Facebook. No, don't give them attention. Leave them. They must talk na then get their mouth. Create more things for them to talk about, but don't reply them. Don't talk about it. Let them keep talking. Let them keep ranting. Then go do adverts for you, free adverts for you, tired. Most of them will blog us and 500,000, 200,000, 100,000 to blog about a personality. But they do those things freely for you. It is part of the grace you carry, the anointing you carry. But when you reply them, you make them more relevant. I don't want you to be distracted. The media, allow your media team to handle things of the media. Each one we spokesman. Man, let it not come from you again. Remain focused. If I need it from you is to kinda know prophetic words from you. Don't reply anybody. Don't give attention to brouhahas. Abu ni ime nyo ya tomo ezigbo uto. Ime ya na yo ya tomo uto. Thank you.